Congratulations to Goa Technology Associations for completing the 4 years of the organization and second editions of the Technology Meet and Award Night. The participation of so many IT companies and startups from the Goa is very encouraging. It has been challenging time for every industry due to the pandemic, and I'm sure and moving to work from home will not have been easy for the IT industry. But I'm glad that the IT industry did bounce back and is stronger and play the major role in reviving the economy. The many congratulations to all the award winners. I see that the many of the winners are the young leaders and only make me feel positive for a bright future of the Goa. I will notate that and you have given the award for the research work undertaken at the college level. It is good to see that you are encouraging such research and motivates our future generation towards the research and innovations. My government is appreciated for the contributions of the GTA and will look forward for working closely with the association towards the fulfill of the dream of the Swayambhurna Goa. The appointment of the GTA on the Investment Promotion Board is one such decision of my government for realizing the importance of the IT industry in achieving of the vision of Swayambhurna Goa. During the pandemic time, the industry not only saved the job of the staff, but also created the many new jobs, and which is indicators of the industry reviving and opportunities ahead in the current IT companies in Goa have the capability to provide the 100% placement and to our IT students and graduating from the Goa. In fact, and I am informed that and we have the maximum campus placement already across the engineering colleges from the Goa. The MOU that signed between the GTA and the future Skill Prime is a step for the right directions. The congratulations for extending these initiatives to the Goa. For Director of the Technical Education and Director of Higher Education will extend the support to ensure that every Goan to benefit from these initiatives from the Ministry of the Electronics and the Information and Telecommunications, the Government of India and NESCOM. Goa was one of the first 4 states in India to implement the startup policy. As of today, and we have the certified more than 100 startups in Goa and incentives have already distributed. But the government is committed to implement the IT policy as well. There is a few applications for this policy. I have been informed that there is 4 companies have already completed the necessary formalities, and we have shown approved that it is very shortly. I use this forum to appeal the global governments to come to Goa and work from Goa. In the next 2 to 3 years, so definitely I assure the best of the infrastructure in the IT industry to blossom the Goa, and we will soon have another IT conclave to showcase our Goan in IT industries.